plane of lamina is inclined to VP. The side of the lamina opposite to the corner is, that means in this problem, so we have to construct the pentagon with respect to corner position in the VP plane. Okay, that's what your first position. Okay, so construct an XY line. So write XY VPHP, because so we have to consider the first quadrant here for the projection of planes here. Okay, so go to polygon by center, select 5 sides and take thickness 0.50 and place it in the VP plane and place it with respect to corner position. Okay, and then select the smart dimension and change the dimension to 25. Okay, this is what the dimension I am assuming it, because it's not given in the question. Now you write down the notations. You can write down E dash, B dash, C dash, T dash, E dash. Okay, write down the notations properly. Okay, draw the projection downward to complete the top view here. You can subscribe for the channel, hit on the bell icon for the latest notification, and share it to the maximum students so that they can be benefited from this. So write down the top few notations. Here B and C not visible, so B and C will be written within brackets. Okay, now select this top. You can see we have to give inclination to VP, because here the lamina is resting with respect to the VP plane. We know the concept. If the lamina is resting on the VP plane, means first we have to give the inclination to VP, then inclination to HP. In the same way, if the lamina is resting on the HP plane, first we have to consider the inclination to HP and then inclination to the VP. Okay, that's what the concept. You all know it. Okay, that's what the concept we have to follow. So I'll give angle of inclination here, inclination to VP minus 30 degree. Okay, so check the angle of inclination 30 degree. Okay, now draw projection lines to complete the second position, front view. Okay, draw the projection lines. Draw the projection lines here properly. Okay, horizontally also you draw the projection lines. Draw the projection lines. So from each corner ends you have to construct the projection lines. Now write down the notations properly. Wherever the intersection of these top views and front views are merging it, you need to write down properly with respect to the each ends wherever they are intersecting here. Okay, okay, now we can join all these points with a thick line. Okay, so connect it. Okay, now we have to give, you can see the side of the lamina opposite to the corner is parallel to VP and inclined to the HP plane. Okay, the here C dash D dash is the end which is opposite to the corner and it is now parallel to VP. Now we have to give inclination to the HP plane here. So I'll give angle of inclination to HP 45 degree. Okay, or 30 degree, whatever it is, because they have not mentioned any angles here, so we have to assume it and we have to construct it. Okay, so select the second position, front view, go to move command, creates a copy of it and select the end point C here. Okay, select the end point C. Now go to rotate command, select C dash D dash and place it on the angle line. Okay, now draw the projection lines vertically downward to complete the final position. So draw the projection lines from all these end points. You need to select the end points clearly here, otherwise your final construction will go wrong. Okay, draw the projection lines. So can mention the notations wherever the merging of this top and front views are occurring. You have to write down and construct the final position. Okay. So now you join it to complete the final position here. So we have to start from the A end. You can join it from anywhere, but select it from the key A, then B, then C, then D, then E, then finally A. So this completes the problem number 4. Okay. Now if this extra lines I'm going to remove it by using a trim command. Just you draw as line over the lines which you want to remove, so it will get deleted here. Okay. Now you can see in the solution question bank that problem number 5 in projection of planes, problem number 5 and problem number 4 are similar. You just check it out. A pentagonal lamina of psi dash mm has one of its corner in VP and the plane of the lamina inclined to HP. Okay, inclined to VP, the side of the lamina same. The problem number 4 and 5 it is same. So that's why I'm not going to do this problem number 5 here. There is a similarity between the problem number 4 and 5. So guys, make sure problem number 4 and problem number 5 both are similar. Okay, that's why I'm not doing this problem number 5. Okay, so problem number 5 I'm not doing it because both the problems, problem number 4 and problem number 5 are exactly same. Okay, so this is what I have completed for the part 1. Still we have the problems in it. I'm doing in the part 2 video. Okay, so you can subscribe for the channel and hit on the bell icon for the latest notifications and share it to the maximum students so that they can be benefited from this. Thank you for watching the video. Thank you all.